Hello, and today we will cover how to use our easy invoicing software in detail and how to correct the outfile CSV file that is created. We will go over things like discounted items, we'll go over items that were not available for picking, and we'll also go over any other errors that may appear in the file after we create it. Here you have the terminal screen. If you're using a Windows computer, you'll want to go to Google and type in MS-DOS prompt, and you'll want to familiarize yourself with how to navigate through your terminal window on a Windows machine, and you'll want to know where you saved the easy invoicing software package that we provided to you that you installed following the Ruby installation script instructions from the website that we provided. Now, as you can see here, there's quite a bit going on. We've already ran the script several times for some invoices already today. So what I want you to see here is the white line where it says Easy Invoice King Kupo 2001. If you notice after all that, the actual line of code that I ran says Ruby space CSV underscore sort.rb. Now that's the actual script that we're calling. Now the first thing it's going to ask us is the pricing tier, 1 to infinity. That is going to correspond to the pricing sheet that I gave you. All of our basic retail customers will always fall under price level 2. All of our basic distributors will fall under price level 3. And then we have some other customers that will use custom pricing tiers, as well as customers who use prices 4 and 5, but they are not as often of purchasers, so you don't have to worry about that right now. We'll worry about that when those come up. All you have to do is simply press in the number corresponding to their pricing level. So as you see, it says what's the pricing tier, and I put in number 2. After you have created the out file, you'll need to navigate to where it has been created in your Windows browser and go ahead and open it in Excel. The first thing I want you to notice is that there's missing numbers in the price column. That means that there was discounted items in the order and that we need to do two things. One, we need to add what the discount amount was in the discount column, and two, we need to add the price of the item into the price column. This order happened to have 100% discount on the items. So you'll need to keep notes for each order for the items sold, the pricing, any discounted items, any other details that may relate to each order, because each order will be unique and none are the same. So as you can see here, I'm just going through the discount column, and wherever I see there's a missing price, I'm adding 100% to the discount column. Now we'll go through the file and apply the proper price to each item that was discounted by referencing the item that has the same SKU in the file. Remember, each customer will have their own pricing tier. 80% will use price level 2 or 3. The other 20% will be custom cases. And in those instances, you'll need to contact me until you become more familiar with them. So don't worry, you'll figure it out as time goes on. Next, we come to our most common fix that you'll need to make in the outfile.csv. For any items that were not packed, the quantity column will be empty. You will just need to delete the rows that do not have a quantity because these products were not packed, so we cannot invoice and bill a customer for these products. Now we come to the very end of the file. This will be the next most common fix you'll need to make in the outfile.csv. The bottom line will like to sometimes duplicate itself in the Easy Invoice program. So the way you can tell if it was a duplicate is at the very bottom of the file is it will have a quantity with no price. And all you simply do is delete the row, and then you can go ahead and save the file. And it may give you a small error saying that the special features of the file may not be saved because of the CSV. Go ahead and click continue and save anyway. And then your file is ready to import into your systems.